Hello, so how are you guys? I hope you are all doing well. So today I am here to tell you about how to make a YouTube thumbnails using AI and artificial intelligence. A lot of people requested me to bring videos or short courses about the making a YouTube thumbnail with using AI artificial intelligence. So here is the videos that I created thumbnail using artificial intelligence. So here is my YouTube sample that I uploaded, and you can see there are a lot of thumbnails that I uploaded on my YouTube channels, and that all thumbnails are created by the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a little bit short form of AI. We can also call artificial intelligence in the short form AI. So I use AI to create this type of thumbnails. As you can see, these all thumbnails are very amazing and very attractive. So now I will tell you how you can make a thumbnail like that. So first of all, I selected any videos from any channel. So here is I selected from this channel, and you have to share and copy the link, and after that you go to the Google and oh, type the website names, which is y2, sorry, it's not y2, it's a YouTube thumbnail extractor. I'm writing, so you have to copy that same and write on your Google. Okay, so here is YouTube thumbnail extractor. Okay, are you guys are seeing this? I hope so. So let's start. Okay, I done, enter, and after that you see a lot of websites, but I choose the first one, and here is the paste link. You have to paste a link that you copy from the videos and enter. After that you get thumbnail image and download the image that download the thumbnail that you want in high qualities. So I download the first one, and you click on it and download it. Okay, so here is my download of the thumbnail. As you can see, there is a lot of thumbnail that are created by some creators who are very efficient and very have a very creativity mind. So first of all, after that downloading, and you have to open a chat gpt, and chat gpt, and first of all I say a chat gpt hi, so it will be ready for us. And after that I have to give you some prompt that you have to give to the chat gpt. So you can screenshot it from this screen and copy it and go to the Google, and after that you paste it on the chat gpt. So first I select plus icon, and after that I selected the thumbnail that I want to recreate, and after that I selected the prompt that I written in my notes. So for that I go to my notes. So here are my notes, and I think you have to copy that prompt, and also you can screenshot that prompt and copy that. So I copy and paste it on a chat gpt for recreating the thumbnail, and it will be recreated. And after that I send it to the chat gpt. Okay, so I am sending it to ChatGPT, and here you can see a ChatGPT is created a whole recreate and describe all the thumbnail visuals that are in thumbnails. The ChatGPT describe all the details that are in thumbnails that we are trying to recreate. So here is the all description, and you have to copy that all description by selecting the option select text and select from the background to all text. Okay, here we go. So after selecting that text, we have to go to the Google and open a new website, that is new tab, and after that we open a new website, that is ideogram AI. It is a basically AI artificial intelligence website that help to recreate the thumbnails. So I have to go on this website. You can also screenshot if you want. So after that you going to this website, you have to click on the sign up with Google. So I can go and I try to sign up. Okay, you can sign up it from any your account of Google account, and after that sign up, and you see new tabs of this website of ideogram. So there are, you also can see a lot of thumbnails that is created by a lot of different creators. So we have to create for that. Click on the plus icon, and that is in the bottom of the screen, and after that I paste my whole description, and you have to make sure your setting are equal, are corrected as mine. Your setting should be same as mine settings. Okay, so after that you have to generate, click on generate, and you must have to see your thumbnail should be a screen of ratio of 16 by 9, that is of YouTube. So we have to wait for some time to recreating this. It got a lot of processing time, so that for that reason we have to wait. So here is the recreating of that thumbnail that we give to the chat GPTs. So as you can see, these thumbnails are very attractive and has more details. So as compared to original one, I can also open the original one. You can see the comparison between original one and the recreating that is and the thumbnail that is recreated by me. As you can see, these are a very fantastic thumbnail that we created by just choosing a one prompt, and we got it within a few minutes or seconds. As you can see, you can download it. It's a very high quality, and you can upload it on your YouTube videos. So I think I should create another one. So for that reason I have to choose another videos from another channel. So I have to go on this channel and copy that video link. I think, yeah, this version is okay. I have to share this and copy that link, and same as I go to the Google, and after that I have to open YouTube thumbnail extractor, and here is the first website. I tell you all already all of this information, but for your more convenience and more satisfaction, I recreated another thumbnail. So here is I can download it from this website, and after download I have to give it to the chat GPT, and for that reason I have to go to the chat GPT and give it to the chat GPT using a plus icon and using the image option, and after that I selecting the thumbnail that I want to recreate. So I also have to give a prompt that we already using, in previously. Okay, so here is a prompt. You can screenshot if you want, so send it. And as you see, ChatGPT is trying to creating a whole description for this image. I think a lot of people's thinking that I do not have much better English, but I am trying to convey and try to speaking. So you have to cooperate with my English language. So it's my, I think, first time that I uploaded my all YouTube short courses in English. So I try to better myself in next time. But for now, you have to cooperate. Okay, so after that we have to give same as description to that website and copy paste it, and after that you have to click on generate. You make sure to your settings should be same as mine. Okay, and it take us some minutes to recreate it, and we have to wait for some time. I hope you all are enjoying that video, so I make sure you subscribe to my channel and like that videos, and that give me a motivate for making the next videos. So here is our thumbnail is getting ready. Yeah, so here is you can see our thumbnail is recreating, and that was very fantastic and amazing thumbnails. I think a lot of designer should lost their job after this, but I hope so they will also learn artificial intelligence to um, refast their work. Okay guys, so here is you can like comparison both of those. You can see how much is better, and here you can also download it and upload on your YouTube and get a lot of views. I hope so guys, you all are getting a lot of new knowledge in these videos, and I also want to say that all of people should be learn artificial intelligence, because it is a very modern and new technologies that is a very useful for us in the futures, and that give us a lot of information how to create a new things using artificial intelligence. And you can also learn a lot of things from my YouTube channels. I already uploaded a lot of short courses on my YouTube channels, so I also want you to see my YouTube channels. For example, if I open my YouTube channel, but for before that I have to give you that how you can download the ChatGPT. You have to go on Play Store and search about a ChatGPT, and after that you see this application, and you have to install that, and you sign up, and after that you are enabled to using ChatGPT. So after that you also you can use a Bing AI, that is also artificial intelligence chatbot. And here is also one more, that is Genme. That is one of my favorite. I use it a lot of time. So there is a lot of many modes, but I use three of I use these three chat bot. Okay guys, so I hope so you get a lot of informations, and also I want to you to see my YouTube channel for a better result, and you can also see my short courses that I uploaded on my YouTube channels, that is about how you can create a videos like documentary videos using artificial intelligence. So here is my YouTube channel. You can also search it on YouTube, that is Code Speed Zone. And I am here also open short courses that I uploaded on my YouTube channel. You also check out it, and that is, so here is my playlist which I uploaded, and here you can see these videos. This short course is all about YouTube automation, AI native videos. So it is all about how to create videos like that. I have to show you some sample. So for that reason you have to see this video. So you can create videos like that. You can also edit videos like that and upload it on your YouTube and get a lot of views and subscribers.